How to create a new hosting account in WHM. This demo assumes you've already logged in to WebHost Manager. Now let's learn how to create a new hosting account. Click the Account Functions link. Then click Create a new account. This is the heart of WHM. It is the screen where you can create new hosting accounts in real time. There are several options for which you get to set limits. The limits you set here will define how many resources the account has access to. Let's go ahead and create a new hosting account. Enter the domain name that will be used for this new account. Click in the Username field to automatically create a username based off the domain name. Now give the account a password, or use the password generator to create one. Make sure you select the I have copied option and then click Use Password button. Now enter a working account holder's email, so if you ever need to send announcements via WHM to customers, the user will get it. Choose a predefined account package to automatically fill in many of the options for your new account. This will speed up the process of creating a new account. You can set up as many packages as you want. We cover how to create account packages in another video. Let's go ahead and choose the Demo Reseller Silver package. Then click the Create button. That's it. The hosting account has been created on the server, along with the new cPanel control panel has set for it. You should now send this information to the person who will be using the account. They will need to know the username, password, and IP address, as well as the name servers. They can now log into cPanel for this new account using the username and password we assigned, but will have to use the IP address method rather than the domain name method, since the domain name will not work until its name servers have been changed and propagated. Let's go take a look at the accounts in WHM. Click the Accounts link. There it is, the new account we just created. This is the end of the tutorial. If you ever want to make changes to accounts you create, you can do so by returning to WHM and using the Modify an Account feature.